Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create a dashboard in Excel by combining pivot table, pivot chart, slicers, and timeline all on one sheet. Let's begin to learn Excel dashboard.
Let's create our dashboard step by step. Click the plus button at the bottom. Double-click the sheet name, type Dashboard, press Enter. Now go to Employee Data Sheet. Click anywhere inside the data, Insert tab, Pivot Table, New Worksheet already selected. Click OK. Drag Department to Rows, Name below Department, Actual Sales to Values. Rename this sheet. Double-click the tab, type Pivot Data, press Enter. Now let's create the pivot chart. Click inside Pivot Table, Insert tab, Column Chart, Clustered Column. Right-click on the chart. Select Move Chart. All your sheets are listed here. Select Dashboard. Click OK. You are directly taken to Dashboard sheet. Pivot Chart is now here. Now let's move the Pivot Table to Dashboard as well, so everything stays connected. Go to Pivot Data Sheet. Click inside Pivot Table. Pivot Table tab. Click Move Pivot Table. Select Existing Worksheet. Click on Dashboard Sheet. Click cell A1. Click OK. Now both Pivot Table and Pivot Chart are on Dashboard Sheet. Now let's add the slicer. Click on Pivot Table on Dashboard. Pivot Table tab appears. Click Insert Slicer. Check Department. Click OK. Drag slicer to the right side of Pivot Chart. Now let's add the timeline. Click on Pivot Table again. Pivot Table tab. Insert Timeline. Timeline dialog opens. Order date is not checked by default. Manually check order date. Click OK. Drag timeline to the bottom of the sheet. Now let's make it colorful. Click inside Pivot Table tab. Select a colorful style from Gallery. Click Pivot Chart, Chart tab. Click Format, select Fill, then choose Matching Palette. Click Slicer, Slicer tab, select Matching Style. Go to View tab, uncheck Grid Lines, uncheck Headings. Click Electronics in Slicer. Pivot Table and Pivot Chart both update instantly. Click January in Timeline. Everything filters to January. Drag across all months. Full data visible again. Dashboard is complete. Interactive, colorful, and professional.
If you want to learn the complete data analysis and visualization with Excel course, full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.